what's up guys? My name's Artie. My 2008 Toyota 4Runner. It's a 4x4 Limited, and I've had it for 2 years now, and so I just wanted to go over everything that I've done to the vehicle. Start out with the front end. So the first thing I have done is the headlights. These are from Freedom Outfitters. Actually, one I'm going to give away, which is pretty cool. Shout out to them. Cool about these is they got the halos and they got the Bajas in them too, which is pretty unique. The fog lights, I got a lot of questions on these. They're Baja Designs that were custom outfitted for the 4Runner since they don't make them. Basically, it just uses a universal bracket, and they've been great. They're bright. Awesome, and I love Bajas anyway, so it works out great. Down over here, I got the Nitto trail grappler, the 35, 12 and a half 17s, and they're wrapped with the Stealth Custom Series Gen 5s in the polish. It's a 17x9, -38 offset. I was lucky enough to get a pair of these. They were out of stock when I was trying to get them, but luckily up in San Jose, Clean Rides Outfitters, or Clean Rides, they were able to hook it up, and I was able to grab a set, and yeah, I'm super stoked. It looks super clean. Goes really well with the silver. Couldn't be happier with that. Next thing, ditch lights. Of course, Baja Designs. They're the Squadron Sport. Everything's all wired to my Switch Pros that's inside, which I'll show you later. These are great lights. Same with the roof rack. I got the Baja S2s right here, the S1s right there. They're all mounted to a Sherpa Princeton rack. I love this rack. Sherpa's the best rack out there for 4Runners, and honestly in general. I have no complaints on it. I definitely recommend everyone get it because yeah, Sherpa's the best, honestly, when it comes to racks. Right here, got the JDM mirrors. About a year or two ago, I hit up a guy on IG, and I saw him on a post or something like that and hit him up. So I don't know the exact page anymore, but yeah, these are JDM ones. They look sick, one off, so kind of helps tie in with the whole build and everything. Something around here, lift wise, I got the Dobinsons. I got them secondhand off of a fellow 410 4Runner guy. They've been great, honestly, no complaints. It's a great budget build suspension lift. I will eventually upgrade them, but for now they've done the trick. So I got the shocks in the front and the rear, and then also I have the SPC front upper control arm, the 4Runner as well. And like I said, no complaints. It's been great, and so yeah, can't complain. Back here, not much going on. The only thing I got going on really is just the taillights. These are literally Amazon specials. Bought them on Amazon. No complaints. They look sick. They got a cool sequential light dance, which I like when they turn on. I like the look. Kind of ties in with the front end, with the headlights. Kind of goes with the clear headlight, taillight look. See here, what else do I got? I mean, honestly, there's not much to it. I mean, I got the bumper cut. Basically, the bumper cuts. I followed the body line. There's a body line that is on the bumper. I literally just followed that and just cut the bumper. It's something that's just super simple, easy to do. Anyone can do it, and I honestly like how it looks. It just makes it look a little bit more aggressive. It makes it look like it's a little bit higher up lift wise, as well as the front bumper. I did the same thing. Basically, it's just a body line that I've just followed. So I mean, I can make another video on that too to go more in specifics, but that's just kind of a basic, you know, rundown of what I did on the bumpers. So yeah, let's take a look at the interior. So interior, other than the seat, I mean, it's literally pristine. It's honestly like, it's so nice to sit in this thing, and it's just, for what it is, it's a 2008. I mean, it's amazing. So right in here, as you can see, I got my Switch Pros right here. So basically this is everything that's, it's the control panel. It's a Switch Pros 9100. Controls all the lights as well as the onboard air system, which I'll show you right now. I got that custom made. Honestly, it's super sick because literally I just fold down my sunglass holder. I just turn on whatever I need, and then I just close it right back up, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys what the engine bay looks like. Don't mind it. It's a little on the dirty side, but what I got underneath the hood, you guys will enjoy for sure. I have the Wifey onboard air system on this one. I hit up Al, it's sponsored by Wifey. Super solid dude. Can recommend him more, and he helped me out, did a really solid for me. And yeah, this is by far one of my favorite mods that I've done to this thing. Literally, I can air up and deflate anywhere I want. All I got to carry around are just 4 hoses, which they all, you know, they go right into these ports that are just custom made right here. As you can see, the SPC and the Dobinsons, but yeah, they literally just hook up right in there, and it literally just hook it up to each tire, and I'm done. You know, I just press my Switch Pro, let it turn on, and it's super convenient, honestly. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There's not much to it. I mean, there's not much, but what I've done to it is like OEM plus, so it kind of gives it a different look than what most people do. I'm not really big on like big bumpers and you know, over decking a vehicle. That's just me personally, but yeah, that's pretty much my build. I mean, it's just super simple, super clean. And yeah, if you guys have any more questions, just feel free to hit me up on my page, my IG page, which is silver.4R. You can comment down below on the YouTube page, or you know, you can even hit me up on TikTok. I got a TikTok as well that I post on. So if you hit me up on TikTok, I'll get back to you on that as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is my 4Runner build, and yeah, I still got a couple more things to do. Got some plans. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys, you know, like, subscribe, comment, that'd be amazing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See you guys later.